Ladies, can we talk? There comes a point where we look around and say, sis, it's time for me again. Not the roles, titles, responsibilities, but the woman. The woman who still dreams, still wants joy, still deserves softness, love, laughter, and a little luxury just because. If you're one over 50 and feeling that tug to reclaim your glow, your peace, your rhythm, you're not alone. I'm doing it right with you. We're stepping into a season where we don't chase, we attract. We don't shrink, we expand. We don't apologize, we take up space. If you're choosing you this season, drop a me in the comments. Let's remind each other who we are. Follow me on all social platforms so we can grow, glow, and heal together. We're not doing life alone anymore.